This book made me realize something insane. It's not motivation, not goals. It's your habits that determine who you become. Today I am breaking down top 6 lessons which I learned from Atomic Habits that genuinely shifted how I think, how I work and how I live. अगर तुम थक चुके हो हर वीक एक नई शुरुआत करके तो ये वीडियो तुम्हारे लिए. So before all that, we will discuss that why habits matter that much. So here's the thing, most people don't get it. Success is not just one time thing. It's not a rise and grind moment. It's boring, it's daily, it's consistency, it's discipline, it's tiny actions which done repeatedly. And James Clear also said, you do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. So here are the top 6 lessons that can help you build those systems. Focus on what you want to become, not just what you want to achieve. Let me tell you this with an example. So a person saying, I want to wake up at 5 o'clock. At the same point of time, one more guy saying, I am kind of a person who value discipline and starts the day early. When I started saying I am a disciplined creator, my actions started aligning. I didn't need a motivation. I just have standards to myself. So let me ask you a question. If you just increase 1% every day, so what do you think कि एक साल में तुम कितना ज़्यादा improve कर चुके होगे अपने old version से? If you know the answer, tell me in the comment section. It's 37 times better. So let me tell you that why it matters. Small changes in the starting feels useless until they show their compound result. And that's the secret behind people blow up. You just didn't see the slow climb. You ignored it. मैं कभी भी जिम को लेके consistent नहीं था. Throughout a year मेरी physique बिल्कुल भी नहीं बनी. बट अगर तुम 4 महीने भी कंसिस्टेंटली जिम जाते हो, डाइट प्लान्स अपने प्लान करते हो, देन यू विल सी बेटर रिजल्ट देन अ ईयर. बिल्डिंग सिस्टम इज फार मोर बेटर थिंग देन गोल, बिकॉज़ गोल्स आर अबाउट सक्सेस बट सिस्टम्स आर अबाउट टू प्रोसेस. सो लेट मी गिव यू अ ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ दिस. लेट्स से मेरा गोल है कि मैं 10 वीडियोस अपलोड करनी है एक वीक में. इसी चीज का एक सिस्टम कैसे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं? आई विल राइट स्क्रिप्ट एवरी नाइट, आई विल एडिट एवरी डे एंड आई विल शूट ड्यूरिंग एवरी मॉर्निंग. सो आई स्टॉप बीइंग ऑब्सेस्ड विद माइलस्टोन्स. आई जस्ट मेड अ सिस्टम. राइट डेली एट 9 PM, पोस्ट एवरी मंडे और सैटरडे. And that's it. Environment design. Make good habit obvious. हमारी टेबल पे अच्छी बुक्स दिखनी चाहिए एंड मेक बैड वंस इनविजिबल. यू डोंट नीड मोर विल पावर, यू नीड लेस फ्रिक्शन, लेस डिस्ट्रैक्शन. कीप योर जिम क्लोथ्स रेडी द नाइट बिफोर. अपने फोन को खुद से दूर रख दो जब तुम काम कर रहे हो. जब भी तुम अपना लैपटॉप ऑन करो, आई सेट इट अप कि जब भी मैं अपना लैपटॉप ऑन करता हूँ सबसे पहले मेरा फोल्डर ऑटोमेटिकली स्क्रिप्ट वाला फोल्डर खुल जाता है. यू शेप योर एनवायरमेंट एंड देन इट शेप्स यू. ड्यूरिंग बिल्डिंग हैबिट्स यू शुड फोकस ऑन हैबिट स्टैकिंग. आफ्टर दिस करंट हैबिट आई विल बिल्ड दिस न्यू हैबिट. एंड व्हाई इट इज सो पावरफुल? You know, ह्यूमन ब्रेन जो होता है वो पैटर्न्स को बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करता है एंड यू शुड यूज देम टू योर एडवांटेजेस. After brushing my teeth, I'll write my journal for 2 minutes. After I open YouTube, I'll reply to your 5 comments. After lunch, I'll go for a 5-minute walk. Instead of guilt tripping myself for missing a workout or just not able to upload a video, I just say cool, I am back tomorrow. And that's how consistency works. So my top 6 learnings from Atomic Habits are: focus on who you want to become, not what you want to achieve. Get 1% better every day and you will be 37 times better in a year. Build your systems over goals. Design your space. Less distractions, more focus. And the 5th one, stack your habits. एक habit के बाद कौन सी habit मुझे फिर से लेके आनी है अपने अंदर. And my personal stack is, after brushing my teeth, I'll design my day. Missing 1 day is a mistake. Missing 2 creates a new habit. To be honest, this saved my discipline. It's okay to fall off. हम सभी हो जाते हैं. We are humans. Life happens. ऐसी चीजें हो जाती. But do not break the chain. You should bounce back immediately. Because बार बार अगर आप चेन ब्रेक करोगे तो आप बार बार चेन ब्रेक करने की भी एक चेन बना रहे हो. Instead of guilt tripping myself for missing a workout session or not able to upload a video, I just say cool, I am back tomorrow. And that's how consistency wins. So let's recap all the things which you have learned. Focus on who you want to become, not what you want to achieve. Get 1% better every day. And by the end of year, you will be 37 times better. Build system over goals or motivation. And design your space. Less distraction in your space, more focused you will be. Stack your habits. And the last one, never miss twice. Atomic Habits is not just a hype. It's a blueprint. And you know the best part? You don't need to change your whole life overnight. To be honest, you can't. But you think that you can. You just need to start. If this video helped you out in any way, drop a like and hit that subscribe button and comment down which habit you are building this month. And if you want more book breakdowns like this, let me know in the comment section. So I have got some bangers coming up. Stay logged in. तुम्हें पता है अच्छी आदतों का होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है क्योंकि उनके बिना हम कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते. अपने सिस्टम्स को बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा करो, cause वही सबसे ज़्यादा हेल्प करने वाले हैं.